Hello, my name is Luke Ammann. I'm a Parts and Service Director at Kastner Honda in Napa, California. I've been with American Honda for almost 20 years, but I've been with the Kastners for about 7 years. DriveSure has been a great addition to the way we present benefits and features to our customers. People sometimes don't pay attention, but that's when the emails come into effect to let them know that by coming to Kastner Honda, you get these benefits. I think the simplicity of being able to submit a claim, giving the customer the extra benefits that not AAA or any other roadside company would give, being able to pay a claim with a credit card in a timely fashion. It's pretty amazing. Fix a tire. If it can't be fixed, we'll replace it up to $150. The customers love it. We've had them fill out CSE surveys saying how great it is. Unfortunately, tires are in the $200–300 range these days, but when $150 of that is covered along with the tow, if it's a hybrid vehicle who does not have a spare tire, it's something that really links them and will make them come back for life. And we've been able to increase our RO count from one repair order a year to two by going every 6 months, 180 days, and having them come back for service.